Hi y'all, today I'm going to show you guys how to make a Valentine's Day sensory bin for your kids, and almost everything I got for this bin is from the Dollar Tree. So let's just hop right in. Dollar Tree has so much cute, affordable Valentine's Day stuff, and this is also a really great way to use up any Valentine's Day gift cards or little party gifts that you might get from class or preschool in a fun new way for your kids. Got some cute little wooden on themed things, hearts and flowers, and I also got these confetti glitter balls. I also snuck in a little bit of Easter stuff, but I'll save that for another video. This is where I got a ton of the spoons and spatulas and stuff for my kids' sensory bin. I just keep them in their own separate box and I pull them out for whatever theme I'm doing. And then you could even get a Tupperware from here, and I'm using rice as my filler today, but you can use a lot of different things. I just feel like rice is the easiest to clean up if it gets messy. So I'm taking 5 cups of rice, 5 squirts of hand sanitizer, and 5 drops of food coloring. I chose red. Do less food coloring if you want it more pink, more food coloring if you want it more red, and then you're going to squeeze out all of the air and squish this all around until the rice is fully coated with that food coloring. Now, my Dollar Tree, I could not find any food coloring, but other Dollar Trees do have it, so just check it out. But also, if you can't get any, you can leave the rice plain white and then get confetti or those little glitter balls to add texture and color at the same time. So after this is all mixed up, I'm just going to pour it onto a sheet pan with some parchment paper and let this air dry for a couple of hours. If you don't let it fully air dry, it will start to stain your hands, but once it's fully dry, you don't have to worry about that. So give it a good couple of hours. I think I gave mine like 4 hours and it was totally dry and ready to play with. I did those 4 cups of red rice and I mixed it with some plain white rice just because I thought it would be fun to have multiple colors going on. And then I also mixed in those fun little glitter balls for more color and more texture. Dollar Tree had so many Valentine's Day boxes of all different shapes and sizes, and stuff that closed, stuff that had drawers, stuff that had lock and key. I decided to go with these really cute popcorn cups. It was a pack of 2 and I only used 1. That is also really helpful if you ever want to do themed like movie nights with your kids or themed little cutesy things. You have stuff like this laying around. So everything here has multiple uses. And I decided to use the utensils with slots in them so that they could scoop up the balls and shake out the rice and then only put the balls into the cup if they wanted to. And for these really cute clear heart ornaments so you can open up and put anything inside, I decided to get these cute little wooden hearts. There comes in a couple different colors and shapes and sizes and some pink Hershey's Kisses. So I filled one of those with the wooden hearts and one with the Hershey's Kisses so they can practice opening things up, figuring it out. I have a 1 and a 4-year-old, so obviously for the 1-year-old, this is great, but also for the 4-year-old, it's still just continuing to work on their dexterity and their hand strength, and same for these really cute rose pins. These I just kind of stuck all over in here, and it just helps for the little one to start to use just 2 fingers at a time to pinch something, and it just helps the 4-year-old as well to continue those skills. And it's super, super fun to clip onto their clothes, clip onto the cup, clip anywhere they can fit it. And then I also found this really cute heart candy dish. Again, another multiple use item where you could use this on a fun themed night at the house, but you could also use it for this to, again, scoop things up, pick up the hearts, put them in here, make them collect all the little hearts in one little heart-shaped bowl. Super, super cute. And my favorite part is that you can close this up so it doesn't have a chance to spill and store it really, really easily. So that is the Valentine's Day sensory bin. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, like it and subscribe, comment down below other ideas that you want to see, and I will see you guys in another video very soon. Bye.